guys, this is Nerf Boy Reviews and hey, where's my friend? I'm gonna tell him, wait. Hello. I'm just taking over my friend. Taking over. You're just only here. No, I didn't see you here. Ouch! That's a big punishment. What? Shut up. Eventually. Hi, I'm Tamar. Okay, we're gonna try the 7-second challenge. Yeah. The way you have to make it, they're like you're gonna count 7 seconds and make a chore for they're your friend or your parents, someone there. Just tell him to do 7 seconds. Like, one example, you have this is gonna start. You have 7 seconds to read your own mind. Okay, just like that. Start. Is it starting or example? Oh, yeah. It's an example. Okay. Time's up. Oh, okay. Rock, paper, scissors again, and who's gonna be first? The loser will like count to 7 seconds. The winner will do the chore. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, you're late. Rock, paper. You're late. Wait, okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, up to 3. You're too good for days. Okay. Too good for days. Just cut the video. I'm just gonna dance. Oh, come on. Oh, no. Okay. Okay. So, you have 7 seconds. Okay. 7 seconds. To flirt. Okay. Wait, just got the 7 seconds. Come on. Okay, again. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. What the heck is just? No, that's my game. That's just like the bag of fun. It's different. Okay. You have 7 seconds to start. Oh, come on! 6, 5. I don't know how to twerk. 4. Sorry, guys. 3. No. 2. 1. Okay. Sorry. Oh, we forgot. The rules is don't cheat. Okay, if you didn't do the dare of your friend, you lose. Okay. Now it's your turn to dare me. You have 7 seconds to say the longest word ever. I don't. Oh no, time's running. Oh no, time's running. I'm gonna search Google. Oh, it's enough. See, it's 0 out of 0. You lose, you stupid ugly. Ow! Oh, come on, now my hair is broken. Okay. I didn't know that hair can be broken. Okay. You know your turn because you lose. So it's your turn. But by the way, we forget the punishment. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, there's no punishment. Okay. You have 2 seconds. 2 seconds. It's 7 seconds challenge. I'm trolling you. Okay. You have 7 seconds to jump everywhere in this room except the bed. Okay, yo. Hey, take a video. Yeah. Okay, jump. Just count. Just say 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's enough. I'm so tired. You're not very just like that. Okay. It's my turn. Oh, your turn. Hey. Okay. You have 7 seconds to say say one of your crushes. I have no crush. Okay, you're single. Okay, that's it. You have 7 seconds to say all of your favorite books. 1, 2, 3, go.
Almanac, K-Zone, storybooks, 1,000 bucks.
Oh, that's all. Okay, you win. Okay, that's it.
My turn. This is very hard.
Hey, come over here. You cannot see.
This
in
is
the
very hard.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna whisper to you. 7 seconds to backflip.
What?
Okay. You're gonna do a backflip.
What? I can only.
Wait, guys, for
Oh,
Just
come
wait.
on. I can only do the roll. I only do
the
the
cartwheel.
roll. Oh,
Kindly.
I cannot do the.
Kindly.
Can I do it in the bed?
Just wait. Can you?
See, it's almost finishing. See?
Okay.
Oh, I didn't notice that. It's in the bed. I can do it only in the bed. With
Okay.
Fluffy. Can I do the 2 backflip?
She is doing stupid things.
Shut up! Just put it here.
The what?
So they know that I did
Okay.
it. Unbelievable. But totally, this is not a backflip.
Okay.
Okay, count.
7,
Wait,
6,
1, 2, 3, go.
7, 6, 5, 4,
Okay, that's enough.
3, 2, 1. I have only 3.
You can only 3 backflips. Okay, that's not backflips. No, that I only do the backflip.
Okay. So what? It's your turn.
Okay. You have 7 seconds to answer the shortcut of pi. 1, 2, 3, go.
Table 14.
Right. That's just 2 seconds. Nailed it. Okay. Okay, so right. Like the awesome studies.
Answer my question
For 7 seconds.
for 7 seconds.
What's the question?
I'm just gonna think.
Okay, just let me film. Hey.
Oh! What is the stupid thing that you... Okay, just come back.
Just okay. Put it. That's it. So,
Heck!
just put it down.
What's your stupid... What is the stupid...
The 4 stupid things that happened to me.
Yeah. Okay. 7.
Wait, does it just say 1, 2, 3, go then?
1, 2, 3, go. 7.
I fell down in a
6.
clock. I fell down while my mother was doing the vacuum, and I was doing like twerk, but I fell. Oh come on.
Only 3. Okay, it's your turn.
Okay. I'm gonna ask you a question again. Okay. I'm gonna mind.
She's gonna think for a few minutes.
Who's your favorite YouTuber? The 5 favorite YouTubers.
Papa Ramos.
Wait, it doesn't start yet. 1, 2, 3, go.
How many?
5. Top 5 of one of your favorite.
Okay.
Just write, like example. 1, The Dominic Show. 2.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Papa Ramos.
Faster!
Time's up. I can think. Focus.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. It's your turn.
No, you count. Like you ask me what to do.
Okay.
Do Mountain Dew. Oh, funny.
Very funny.
Bad joke.
Joke.
Okay, what?
You have 7 seconds. Okay, just wait.
Put it forward. Okay, there you go. No, that.
Don't watch, Amar. Don't look at me. Face to the wall.
No.
Kindly face to the wall.
There, the wall. Are you the teacher? I'm not your. I'm not your parent.
I'm just gonna.
No.
I'm just gonna.
Okay, just gonna.
Just face to the wall.
Okay.
Kindly close your ears. You're looking.
I'm gonna hide this phone, and she will find this in 7 seconds. Okay.
Face to the wall. Face to the wall.
Okay.
Is it done? Okay.
Okay.
So you will find my phone, the black phone, in 7 seconds.
Oh hell no. Okay.
So
ready.
in 3, 1, 2, 3, start. 7, 6,
Gosh, where is it?
5, 4, 3,
No.
2,
I Oh shush. Where is it?
Okay, my phone is only here.
Oh come on.
See? She failed.
Oh.
Come here. So that's all. Please subscribe.
No, I say.
No.
Ow!
You will be the geek.
Just joking. Okay. Hey guys, make sure to subscribe him. This cute. No, you're ugly.
I'm not cute.
Okay, you're ugly. That's what she said.
I'm not she, I'm he.
Okay, this is just a joke.
Okay, I'm just gonna say I'm just.
No, just make sure to thumbs up and link in a comment. Subscribe
Read
to
the
him.
descriptions below.
What you're gonna write there?
I'm just gonna write something there.
Okay. Subscribe to him.
Okay, thanks for watching. Please
And
subscribe.
See you.
Okay, bye.
Tomorrow. Oh, I don't know.